How to become a hacker in 2021, step-by-step guide for beginners. 1. Learn the fundamentals. Before you can find out about hacking and security, you should initially have a strong establishment of PC abilities. Computer networks. Computer networks can be associated with the internet, or they can be totally separated. In any case, realizing how these organizations work is important because you need to discover what weaknesses they may have. Linux. I don't have anything against Windows, yet with regards to hacking, I really want to depend on Linux. That is to say, who could want anything more? It is an open source, unreservedly accessible working framework that you can tweak any way you wish. Programming languages. Learning a programming language will permit you to code your own devices and content. 2. Learn ethical hacking. Hacking is a wide subject. It traverses numerous fields. You can seek after just a couple of explicit fields, or you can follow a somewhat broad methodology and take in the whole hacking range. Web application security. Getting web applications is thusly a need for some associations, particularly those that depend on their web substance to get income. Reverse engineering. It permits you to comprehend the engineering and the inward plan of an equipment or programming framework. Network security. Securing a network is certifiably not a simple errand. There is a huge assault surface that presents a danger, thus numerous things that can turn out badly. Cryptography. Cryptography has been an apparatus used to shield correspondences between partners from blocking adversaries.